Unleashing the power of AI, a brain-inspired revolution. The future of AI is here, and it's all about thinking like a human brain. In a groundbreaking discovery, researchers at the University of Surrey have unveiled a new method to enhance artificial intelligence, drawing inspiration from the intricate wiring of our brains. But here's where it gets controversial. They argue that mimicking the brain's neural networks can revolutionize AI performance, offering a more sustainable and efficient approach. Published in Neurocomputing, the study reveals that by replicating the brain's neural wiring, artificial neural networks used in generative AI and models like ChatGPT can achieve remarkable improvements. The key lies in topographical sparse mapping, a technique that connects neurons in a manner similar to how the brain efficiently organizes information. Dr. Roman Bauer, a senior lecturer, emphasizes the potential for building intelligent systems with reduced energy demands without compromising performance. Researchers further explain that this model eliminates the need for excessive, unnecessary connections, resulting in improved performance and sustainability. Dr. Bauer adds, training large AI models consumes an astonishing amount of electricity. We simply cannot sustain this as AI continues to grow at an unprecedented rate. An enhanced version, dubbed Enhanced Topographical Sparse Mapping, takes this concept a step further by introducing a biologically inspired pruning process during training. This process mimics the brain's natural refinement of neural connections as it learns. The research team is now exploring the potential of this approach in various applications, including the development of more realistic neuromorphic computers, which emulate the structure and function of the human brain. This story highlights the exciting possibilities of brain-inspired AI, but it also raises questions. Is this the future of sustainable and efficient AI? And what are your thoughts on the potential impact of this research? We'd love to hear your opinions in the comments below.